In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms in Axure RP 10. So let's get started and dive into the process, step by step. First off, launch Axure RP on your computer. This is your starting point. And if you're not familiar with Axure RP yet, it's a fantastic tool for prototyping and designing user interfaces. Once you have Axure RP open, you can choose to start a new project or open an existing file, depending on what suits your needs at the moment. Now, after you've got your file open, your next step is to turn your attention to the Widgets pane. The Widgets pane is crucial because it houses all the components you'll need for your form. If you can't see the Widgets pane immediately, you might need to toggle it on from the View menu. It's important to be comfortable navigating around here because it's where you'll find a wide array of form elements and other design elements as well. Let's move on to the next task, which involves locating the Forms section within the Widgets pane. You'll want to look carefully in your default library where there's a specific category dedicated to form components. Alternatively, you can browse through the Sample Form Patterns library for common components such as drop-down lists, checkboxes, and text areas. This is a really good resource because it provides you with pre-configured elements that you can use as a starting point, letting you save time and effort in designing. Now, on to the exciting part, adding form elements to your canvas. To do this, simply drag and drop your desired form widget onto the canvas. For instance, you might select a text field. You can simply click on it and drag it directly onto your canvas where you want it placed. Alternatively, you have another option. Click and drag your mouse across the canvas to draw and resize the form widget to your preferred dimensions. This flexibility allows you to design forms that perfectly align with your vision and project requirements. By now, you should be seeing your form elements right there on the canvas, ready for further customization. You can reposition them or adjust their properties to match your precise design requirements, making your form not only functional but also visually appealing. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to adding forms in Axure RP 10. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one. Happy prototyping, and I'll see you in the next video.